Socialization is a vital activity for our dog to maintain their well-being when they meet other dogs or people. To know if they are indeed well socialized, we need to look at how they greet. A dog greeting a dog or person they know well is often different to how they meet someone for the first time. AnimalWised helps you understand these types of dog greeting behaviours so you can know what to expect. Greeting between dogs which know each other. Greetings between dogs which know each other well involve various gestures and body language. The animals are usually relaxed and confident, touching and smelling each other without hesitation. They may even adopt a posture to invite them to play by stretching out their front legs and raising up their hind quarters. The canine greeting has a very important social function when executed by dogs of the same group. This function is to reinforce the hierarchical positions within the group. Simply by looking at how one dog greets another, we can interpret their social position. A dog which greets a more dominant group member usually maintains a reserved posture, licks the air, and it tries to appear smaller by bending down or even rolling over. The more dominant dog will be more upright, calm, and relaxed. Greeting between dogs which don't know each other. The greeting between two unfamiliar dogs is somewhat colder and more distant. The body gestures and postures are not as relaxed as in the previous case. Each animal is waiting to observe the response of the other dog in order to continue or not with the ritual of a friendly greeting. If one of the dogs does not receive proper socialization, this greeting may not occur because the non-socialized dog will tend to bark and display a hostile attitude. This is one reason why it is so important to properly socialize a dog. Discover how to introduce two dogs correctly in the video that we share here. How dogs greet humans they know. When the dog greets their guardian or some other person in their close environment, they get excited, wag their tail frantically, and if they are used to doing so, might lick them. Generally, the dog is relaxed and their facial expression and body posture indicates a positive state of mind. How dogs greet unknown humans. Some dogs will greet any person who comes their way, especially if they talk to them or come over to introduce themselves. This happens in dogs which are well socialized and have had pleasant experiences with humans in the past. Although they will differentiate between strangers and close family, in general they have a positive attitude towards people. This means when they meet a friendly human, the animal will greet them positively according to their usual personality, e.g. excitable or chilled. Now let's see how we should greet dogs correctly. How to greet an unfamiliar dog. Before approaching a dog we don't know, it's important to observe to see whether they are receptive to interaction. If they do indeed seem receptive, we still need to approach slowly so as not to convey the wrong attitude or scare them. At all times, we need to remain calm, conveying security and confidence. Don't make sudden movements. When we're close, let the animal take the first step and smell us. If they seem satisfied, we can pet them on the neck area, but not the head or muzzle, unless we are totally sure they will accept the gesture. How to greet a dog when you get home. The answer to this question will depend entirely on the relationship you have with the dog. Some dogs keep quiet and wait for their humans to come over to say hello. In these cases, as the animal shows a calm attitude, it's possible to greet them with petting and words of encouragement. Other dogs may greet their humans more effusively, in which case we may need to be calm to calm them. If you want to know more about how dogs communicate, don't miss the video we share here. Tell us, how does your canine pal greet you when you get home? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.